The smarter choice for your home. Humidity Stat Extractor fans. Welcome to a healthier and more comfortable home environment. Today we're going to explore why Humidity Stat Extractor fans are a smart investment for your home. These innovative devices offer automatic moisture control, improved air quality and energy savings. Whether you're upgrading an existing fan or installing one in a new bathroom, choosing a high quality model ensures long-term benefits. So what exactly are Humidity Stat Extractor fans? These fans have a built-in sensor that automatically detects moisture levels. When these levels rise to a set point, the fan kicks in or boosts its speed to keep your air fresh and clean. Their key features are automatic activation, no more manual switching, the fan activates when needed. Energy efficiency, save on electricity by operating only when necessary. Improved air quality, reduce humidity, mould and allergens for a healthier home. Installation is straightforward. If you have an existing exhaust extractor fan, consider adding a wall-mounted sensor switch or opt for a fan with a built-in humidity sensor. Installation tips. Consult a professional like ourselves at Bright Spark Electrical Services. Choose the right location. Install sensors near the ceiling where humidity gathers. Set the timer. Adjust the timer to run up to 15 minutes to ensure thorough ventilation. In the UK, bathroom mould is a common issue due to high humidity. A Humidity Stat Extractor fan can be part of your strategy to combat this. Practical tips for preventing mould. Ensure good ventilation by using fans or opening windows. Regularly clean surfaces to remove moisture. Hang your bath mats and towels to dry completely. Warm the room slightly to reduce condensation. Use anti-mould paint to prevent growth. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your fan effective. Here's what you should do. A typical maintenance checklist is look up at the fan, clean the fan blades regularly, maybe putting a vacuum cleaner to it. Check the sensor is working properly and inspect, if you can, the wiring for any damage. Bright Spark Electrical Services, located near Tunbridge and Tunbridge Wells, offer over 21 years of experience in the electrical industry. Led by myself, Karen Smith, my team ensures certified and insured services for your peace of mind. So is a Humidity Stat Extractor fan right for you? By controlling moisture levels, these fans enhance your home's comfort and air quality. Are you ready to step up your home ventilation? Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.